You are going to love the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.